We are looking at how to pronounce those two words whose pronunciations are rather different. They may look slightly similar, but their meaning is certainly very different. So the one at the top is pronounced as sweet, sweet, which is said of something that contains a lot of sugar, sweet, a long E sound. The one at the bottom is the liquid that comes out of one's skin, and it is said as sweat, sweat, sweat versus sweet, sweet or sweat. Very different. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting words whose pronunciations may look similar, or words that may look similar but that have different pronunciations. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.